Hi there, Melody from WTI.
I have never enjoyed doing my dishes more, and I have never even received so many compliments on a dish rack as I have since I've gotten this gorgeous Godboat dish rack from Hangweight AAA. This two-tier Godboat dish rack is what every kitchen needs. Let me tell you why. And it all starts with how easy it is to put together. There's no screws. All you do is snap and click, put things together. It literally just takes a few minutes. And in no time at all, you're ready to do your dishes in style. Take a look at how sleek this design is. I love that you have a lot more flexibility and convenience because this has two tiers, so it can be placed on pretty much any kitchen layout. And when I say convenience and flexibility is because you can move things around according to your kitchen layout to make things that much easier on you. Now this drain pan has its own outlet pipe, which is perfect because it allows water that drips from all your dishes to drain into your kitchen sink. It's super easy clean up, no mess, no fuss. And the extra dish drying mat is going to ensure that your counters stay clean too. It's made out of a high strength metal, which is carefully polished with high temperature lacquer. It's anti-corrosion and anti-rust. All the corners are rounded and polished to avoid any kind of scratching or damaging to items. Buy one for yourself or even get one as a gift.
So why not do what you can to make your dishwashing more fun, make it more cool and more chic looking. You're gonna enjoy it a little bit more than you have previously. At least I have. But that's my point of view.